Hi there, everyone. Good day. Welcome to this session. So we're going to be learning a linear data structures for this week. So in our previous discussion, we studied data structures and algorithm the, because it is actually a way to make efficient programs. So as the computer programs relies hugely on the data, and it also like requires large amount volume of data for its performance. Therefore, it is actually it's highly important to arrange the data. This arrangement of data in an organized structures is actually called data structures. So storing of the data in data structures allows us to access, modify, and uh, and even try out other operations that can be carried over the data elements. So the arrangement of the data is mainly done in a computer, and therefore the proper algorithms are required to carry an operation. So with the specific data structures, we now then being able to reduce the space and decrease the time complexity of different tasks, which is actually it's actually the main objective or the main goal of data structures. So for today, for this session, we are going to focus on the linear data structures. So linear data structures are actually a type of data structures where the arrangement of the data follows a linear trend or linear manner. So the data members are or elements are actually arranged linearly such that element is directly linked to the previous and the next element. So as the elements are stored linearly, the structure supports single level storage of data. And therefore, traversal of data is achieved through a single run only. So when we talk about the characteristics of linear data structures, it is actually a type of data structures where data is like stored and managed in a linear sequence. Data elements in the sequence are linked to one another. Okay, another one is the implementation of the linear data structures of uh, like data in our computer's memory is easy as the data is organized sequentially. So one of the examples of data structures that is belong to linear type data structure are array, queue, stack, linked list, vector, array list, and many more. Okay, so the data elements that are stored in the data structures have only one relationship. Okay, so another one is when you are going to traverse from one data or one element to another, it can be carried out in a single run as the data elements are stored in a sequential manner. Okay, we could say that there is a poor utilization of the computer memory in if as actually if a structure is going to be stored in a data in a linear manner, or if it is implemented in a linear or sequence manner. Okay, so with the increase in the size of the data structure, the time complexity is also going to increase its value. So next, what are the common types of data structures? So these are some of the common types of data structures. So we have array. So we could say array as like static or fixed. So it cannot shrink, it cannot grow its value once you already stated or once you already define it. Always to be something like that. So therefore, it's fixed and it's always static on that particular uh, what they call this one size. So basically, array is a linear data structure because as you like insert data to it, it's going to be you insert data to if you are going to insert a data to an array, you in a, you must I mean, it's going to be inserted at the first index, then followed by the first, second, third, and so on and so forth. Normally like that, okay? And if you are going to also like traverse from one data to another, it has to be you have to start from the first index going to the last index or element. Okay, so another is stack, which is last in, first out, which is in the next week, we are going to discuss that one. And then we have the queue or first in, first out, which is actually applied in a printing pool or in a banking system. Okay, and then we have dynamic list, which is actually called linked list. Okay, so other books also include string as a data structure, okay? Because string is a sequence of characters. Okay, and string in Java starts with a zero index, and then the last index is the last, and then the last index is actually the last character of that string. So that would be all for linear data structures, and thank you guys for listening and watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.